What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Booster Jaden YouTube channel. Today we're going to be replacing a few pieces in the interior of the Daily Swift, and yeah, let's get into it. These are our new parts. So I got two of these which are non-gauged up, because when I transported the roll cage, I transported it in the Daily and it was a very tight fit and lots of damage got done. Cracked the windscreen, damaged both of these very badly, scratched the living daylights out of the dash. The console's pretty mangled. I have a new console, but it's not ready to install yet, and I have the replacement clock piece. I'm unsure whether to do a whole dash over one scratch, considering it is an 06, you know, it's getting on in age now. And the K's, I mean, does it really matter? But for the most of it, I want to tidy up the most of it. So we won't be required to use any tools for this job, actually. So to remove this, you need to remove the kick panel scuff plate that sits on the driver's side. I'll do the demonstration on the passengers. And then you literally just unpull it from around, pull it out. Very easy to remove, just like that. You can see the gauging on it, it's pretty, it's pretty ugly. So we'll replace that one. And then we have our new one. So this old one can go out there. Pull the seatbelt forward. Sit it in the little thing there. Pull it back. Line it up. Go around the other side and have a nosy. Make sure everything's going together okay. And then that's the new piece for here. Quite like that. Far better than the old one with the gauging on it. Pretty gnarly. And this one has none. So that improves it just that bit extra. So same thing, this side you want to just pull that up and then you want to slide it all one way and then pull it out and then it just pulls out like that. So same thing on this side, want to unclip it. So it just sits right. Easy to pull this one. And then to show you the damage, check out that one. That one's in even worse condition than the other one. Hence the reason we're replacing it. And then same thing, put it behind, make sure the seatbelt's in behind there. Line it up. Smart thing to do actually would be to put the side piece on, foot piece, and then we just latch it on the same way that we did the other one. So that's that side done. And then stretch it round on this side. Nicely, clip it all in, pull it tight, in. And then that's the new piece for that side. And I will also now show you the damage in the light. See the scratching on it? Not very good. And the other one I threw over here, which is, yep, pretty damaged. These new ones, they're real nice. I like that. And then on this side, it looked quite good as well. Piece is this piece. So this is just a little, this you can put your phone on the top of it and it won't slide anywhere at all, like around any corners. Like my vape, for example, stick it there and it'll just stick to it. Well, when it's been sticking a while, not now that I've pulled it off. Anyways, this, you'd want to pull it out like that. The big gaping hole I told you about, which I drilled because I thought that I could run some wires in behind there, which the clock just kind of pulls out as well. They're a very easy thing to remove as well. And then we take our new piece, which doesn't have a hole in it, which is still got little gouges in it, but nothing as bad as what it currently had before. And then you just want to clip it in to the dash, level it, and done. I've also decided that this light here, you put it on door, and see it just flickers. It is an aftermarket one, but it's very touchy. So we're going to replace that. I've never removed one of these, so I thought that we'd do that one together. I'm guessing that you just pull it down. Probably. Yep. And here's our new one, just so that you can see the new one. The new one, if I take the screwdriver and remove it, there's a tab there and a tab there. And that's what the inside of it looks like. Lots of little like LED looking panels. So that's our new light. And this is our old light. Which there's a little harness there. Click it in, take it out. And then I will also remove the tab on that side and that side to show you what the inside of this one looks like. Just so that we can get a fair idea of what's probably going on here. We have a little LED panel and it's sitting on double-sided tape, beefed up, and it looks like it's got a little light bulb that's in there which gets the power and it feeds it into there. So somebody made this one, and it wasn't me. This is the original that came with Suzuki from Japan. That's our old light and this is our new one. So much bigger panel, and that one's got a dark tint. This one has a clear tint on it. So we'll just plug it in. So it plugs in the corner there. And then we'll click it up. Oh, yeah, I like that. And then let's see, does this one play up? Only if you really make it do it. And then on, off, door, on. Yeah, I like that. So that is our new interior light for this car. So that's going to do it for another video on the Booster Jaden YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen, replacing a few interior parts and a new light at short notice. Next week I've got something a bit special planned, so stay tuned for that. And you've probably noticed that the videos are increasing weekly at the moment, and that's because they are. I'm working really hard to get you more content out and make it better. I noticed that I got 5 new subscribers this week, so big shout out to whoever you 5 people are. Very happy about that. And Instagram, remember to follow me on Instagram. Link will be here. And follow my story there, because I post a lot more there than I will on YouTube. And I post all my updates here as well. And if you liked the video, then give it a like. If you didn't like the video, then please give it a thumbs down, because that lets me know that I'm not making you happy, or I am making you happy. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And have a good day, night, wherever you are in the world. And I'll catch you very soon in the next video on the Booster Jaden YouTube channel.